Hello everyone, my name is Samtation, and welcome to the unboxing of the ROG RYUJIN III 360 AIO, created by Asus Republic of Gamers. Well, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, starting off with the cover of the box, it looks extremely premium. The very first thing you are introduced with is the ROG VIP card. Consider it just a welcome card from ROG, so we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. So right after the VIP card, you are now introduced with the product itself and its accessories. So with the 360 version, it is a triple set radiator. So that means you get 3 fans. Alright, now it's time to introduce the AIO itself. With this AIO, you are equipped with the 8th generation Asus Tech pump that has a motor speed up to 3,600. The radiator material is aluminum and the sleeve is rubber tubing. And let's not forget about the radiator dimensions. The radiator dimension is 399.5 times 120 times 30 millimeters. Also inside the box, you get your mounting equipment for your CPU, whether it's AMD or Intel. Last but not least, with the unboxing, you get a couple stickers and a couple documents. Now just to show you, you do get 3 with the 360, you also get 2 with the 260. Now with the fans outside the bag, you do get braided cables and a 4-pin connector for PWM connection or DC if you're choosing. Now to talk about the water block just a little bit, the dimension of the water block is 89 times 91 times 101 millimeters. The CPU plate is made out of copper, and let's not forget about that pre-installed thermal paste. And last thing I want to mention about the water block is that it does have an embedded fan. Now that micro fan inside the water block can go as fast up to 5,100 RPM. And to top it off, it has an air pressure of 5.53 millimeters of water and has an airflow of 21.8 cubic feet per minute. It does have a plastic protective shield to make sure the radiator does not get bent in any sort of way, but please make sure you take this off before you install it. Let's go ahead and store this away for now and take a look at the mounting materials you get inside. Just to take a quick closer look at what's also inside, you get a 3-to-1 fan splitter from Asus, of course, and your mounting brackets and screws for your Intel or AMD processor. Alright, without further ado, let's start the installation process. Here, we're going to use the Cryonaut thermal paste from Thermal Grizzly. Okay, so the first thing you're introduced here is this tab here under hardware monitor or custom slideshow. And followed by that with the hardware monitor, you got the choice between 3 themes: Galactic, Cyberpunk, or Custom. Personally, I like Galactic. Now under the information tab, you get more options to choose from, such as single, which will display 1 information, dual will show 2, and triple will show 3. Pretty simple, right? But not only that, you can also look at temperature, voltage, fan, or frequency. And with those, you can base it off a plethora of information, even liquid temperature. I think that's pretty insane. And then under the fan control setting, you can change the speed of your embedded micro fan or your pump. You can also find some settings on Fan Expert. Now with the embedded micro fan, this will blow cold air into your VRAMs, which is the small chip surrounded by your CPU. Now with the pump fan, that is what is being used to cool down the radiator itself. And just so you know how it looks like, here is an image of it. But of course, when you change the fan speed, you'll see it happen in real time, which can be helpful for on-the-fly adjustments. Okay, with that being said, let's do a stress test on the CPU. Okay, we're gonna use the CPU Z, of course the ROG version, and I'm gonna run Task Manager as well so you can see all the cores at 100%, and we're gonna take a look how fast it cools down. So let's go. Okay, and stop. Now we can take a look and see how quick it drops down. And just like that, 87 to 49. Before we go, let's talk about pricing and what they have to offer on the website. So you have the RGB one, either in white or black. The 3-fan radiator will cost you $344.99 right now. It's on sale, like $15 off, usually $360. The 2 radiator fan one, it's going to cost you $204 right now. It's on sale for like $85. That's pretty nice. Same thing for the black version, but without the RGB fan, it's going to be $174. With the RGB fan, it's going to be $234.99. This is the one I purchased. I did not get it on sale, so boo-hoo. But $299 that's on sale. The RGB one's going to be $349.99, and then you got the 2, which is the older generation, for $239. But we're here to talk about the 3. All right, but that's gonna do it for this video. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me with this one. I really appreciate it. If you have more questions about the ROG RYUJIN III, please leave a comment down below of your questions or inquiries. Or if you want to see more Asus products, I got plenty. I'll post them all. Also, don't forget to like and follow me. The support will come a long way. Your boy really appreciate it. But I hope everyone has a great one. Enjoy the rest of your night or day, and I'll catch you in the next one.